All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. My name is Mr. Augustus Emeka, CEO ABBA FOREX. This video I'm doing right now is for people that are growing, that want to grow small accounts, to make their small account to become great, to become big, from small account to big account. Tips on how to grow a small account. Also, someone that has a big account, you can use it to make your account even bigger, make your equity even bigger. But this one is mostly for traders with small account, to build your small account and make it bigger. Small equity, make it to big equity. Get now straight to it. Let's go to because it has a lot to do with risk and money management, and also a lot to do with lot sizes, the type of lot size you use to type of lot size that is required for a particular size of equity, your account capital, account capacity at the time. So let me go to another to where I can explain that detail. Okay, you see here right now, you see this is a 30 days trading plan. 30 days trading plan. If you follow this plan, it will give you will arrive to the same end according to this plan. You understand? Because I have tried it, it works. You can try it, it will work for you. All it takes is for you to be diligent in it, follow it diligently with good money and risk management ethics. So now, if you have, this is starting from a $10 account. This right now is, I'm doing it basically or mostly for people that are trading volatility. We're going to be dealing with VL75, VL10, VL25, and VL50, volatility 50, 10, 25, and 75. For now, for this video, I'll do about currency later on. So if you funded a $10 account, if you make $2.50 profit in your $10 account in a day, you are successful, you are progressing, you have done very, very well. That should be enough for you for the day, but which I know you can do. You can make a profit more than that with a $10 account. It also boils down to the kind of strategy you have. Anyways, for those that are using my strategy, you can use it this way. It will be like it will be a mind-blowing thing for you. Those that have other strategy, that as long as you can make profit with your strategy, is fine and good, and you're good to go. So you use this a $10 account, you make $2 profit, and then it becomes $12, 50 cents. The next day, with a $12 now, $12.5, you make $3, just like that, and so on and so on. Just every day, one step in front of the other. Every day, one step in front of the other. Every day, you're making little profit, little advance. The more your account is growing, the more you're increasing your lot size. You understand? The more you're increasing the lot size, the bigger the profits you make per day, on a daily basis, without risking your account, without risking your $10 account size, your $10 equity, without risking it in any way at all. Now we will go down to that, so that I can explain how you can successfully do that without putting your account under any kind of pressure. You understand? So we'll go to that now. And I'll start from this is VL75, volatility 75. Trading VL75 with a $10 account, you should trade it might be the maximum lot size of 0.002. 0.002 maximum lot size you use to trade a $10 account. You should not have an open trade that is more than 0.002 for a $10 account. With a good strategy, this with 0.02, even if you have 30 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips drawdown, it will not threaten your $10 account. You understand? If before it gives you into profit, let's say 30 pips drawdown might be giving you minus $3, might be running minus $3 or 2 point something dollars or thereabouts. But if you have that 30 pips in profits, that's about $2 or 2 point something dollars, $3 is enough for you to close the trade and then look for the next entry point. You understand? Even while your market is in profit, the first candle of closing profit, you can close this market, this 0.02, the least position here, lot size here is 0.01. so if you use 0.02, that means you can as well, you have a chance option to close out 0.01 and allow 0.01 to continue running. You get, I've done that in my previous video before, how to manage this lot size, how to close out lot size and still allow the same position to still be running while you're closing that same position some in profit. I've made a video on this before. If you want to know about it, you can check my videos. You'll see the some of my videos are there. So this is for VIX 75. For VIX VL50, the least position lot size for VL50 is 3.00. So and then 6.00 now should be the maximum lot size you use to trade a $10 account for VIX 50. Maximum lot size used to trade a $10 account for VIX 50. If you use it like that, it's not threatening your account and it will give you reasonable profits when your market is in profit. The least position is 3.00. You can always enter with 3.00. You enter with me. I would enter with 6.00 so that when my market is in profit, I can close out a half of it and then allow half of it to run. You can better still enter two positions, like 3.00 into two different positions, so that when they are in profit, you can close out one position and allow one position to run. You understand? And then VL25, the least lot size to trade VL25 is 0.50. So, and this 1.00 lot size is a lot size that can use to trade the $10 account without stressing your account, without putting your account under any kind of pressure. All right. So and then the same as I explained earlier on, when you're in profit, you can also open two different positions, like 0.501 and 0.502. So that when your market is in profit, you can close out one position that has entered into one lot or two into $1 or $2, and then close it out. At least when your market gets to $1, you can always close out one position and then bring your stop loss and put it in break even, or lock it in a small profit before, and then allow the market to run, so that if there's a reversal, it will not put you in a negative or take back the profits you have made already. All right, please take note of that. And then VL10, the least lot size to trade VL10 is 0.30. 0.30 is the least lot size. So I trade 0.60 will not threaten or stress or stretch or put your account, a $10 account, under pressure. It will give you room to hold your trade for a reversal using a good strategy. It's when, even if you have a 30 pips drawdown, 20 pips, 30 pips drawdown, it will not still put your account in pressure, in stress. And then if you have a 30 pips profit, 40 pips profit, you stand a chance. You can always, I advise you always take the profit, close it. Little by little you grow your account, you build your account, build your account size capacity to greater. Remember, all you need is just $2.50 in a day to be, for it to be a great and a successful day. You can make $2.50 profit a day. You can, from there, if you can make that in a day, you can make it the next day. You can also repeat it continually. Now, if you know this lot size I mentioned here is for a $10 account. So if your account grows into $20, you know that each of these lot size has to double, means it how you have to double it times 2. If your account grows into $30, you have to double the lot size times 3. The lot size of a $10 times 3. Your account grows into $40, you have to make the lot size you started with of that $10 times 4. Let's assume that here your lot size, this is for $10 and your account growing to $20. You know this will be 0.04, $30 0.06, $40 0.08, and so on and so forth. That's how it goes. All right, so you follow it up like that, you make great profit. And then let's take a look at this now in the markets, in the charts. This is my strategy now. Most of us have my strategy. For people that has it, that got the strategy, for people that got my strategy, they understand what I'm saying and they understand what I mean. For people that does not get it, that does not have it, I believe you have a good strategy. That strategy that is working for you, fine, it's okay with me. But just hear what I'm trying to, just get the point I'm trying to pass across. All right. So let's say, according to my strategy, this candle here, this bearish candle here is my a signal candle, my signal candle. This is my signal candle. This candle is my signal candle, and then this is my entry candle. This is my candle, and this should be my entry point. This should be my entry point. And if I enter here now, my stop loss will be above the previous candle, above my signal candle. That's what my stop loss will be, and my take profit will be, I can allow the market to run, and I put my take profit way below the last point arrow, the last fractal, which is this is a fractal. I can choose any of this fractal to put my stop loss, either here, this fractal, take profit, I mean, yeah, in this fractal, or this fractal, or this fractal. I use to place my take profit. You understand? So I will allow the market to run. If the market goes against me, it will trigger the stop loss, which hardly goes against. Once all my setups are correct and I place my trade, it goes to my direction. And then you also have the same thing here. This candle now, this one here, this is my signal candle, and this is the entry candle. This is the entry candle. Like I always say, let's say you enter the market with two positions. We have two open positions. Even if there's one open position with a double lot size of the lowest lot size, you doubled it. How I explained in the other side, when we were talking about lot size. And now, if this is my signal candle, and then this is my entry candle. This is my entry candle. This is my entry position. And then my stop loss will be obviously above the signal candle, and then my take profit will be around this last point fractals. And when this candle, my entry candle, closes in profits, I'll take out the first profit. I'll close out one position in profit. Or if I enter a lot size of let's say 0.002, and now close out 0.001 profit, and then allow 0.001 to run. And in that space, once I allow it to run, I'll take my stop loss that was above the signal candle and bring it to break even or a little bit below my entry point, locking in some profits. So in case of the market reverses, just like you see this other candle just reversed all the way back. If it reverses like that, it won't put me in any loss or take the profits that I've made thus far. You only lock me out and still in profits. All right, I've already locked in some reasonable amount of profit, which is close to my daily target. Grab. The same thing happened here. This is a signal candle, and this is entry candle. And the entry candle like this, I put my stop loss above the signal candle, which is above the fractal, the arrow pointing up, and then allow the market to run. Once the first bearish close candle, I take my first profit and then allow the market to run. The second bearish close, and I decide to close out the candle, or when I get a second crossover below for on my stochastic, I can design how to close out the trade. This is in VIX 75. It's the same thing happens in VIX VL10, VL25, VL50, and VL75. So this is 15-minute time frame. You can also work in it also works in 30-minute time frame, but for a small account, I will advise you trade on a 15-minute time frame for a small account to avoid huge drawdowns. The lower the time frame, the lower the drawdown, the more effective, the more your small account can handle the drawdown. I don't know if you get what I mean. If you trade on a higher time frame with a small account, a little drawdown will mean so much, and it can blow up your account. But when you trade on a lower time frame, which is like at least 15 minutes time frame, the drawdown of trading with a small equity, small account, like let's say assuming $10 account, the drawdown in 15 minutes time frame won't be so much. It won't threaten or stress a $10 account, because already it's a 15-minute time frame, and then that's where you can use to grow your account reasonably with confidence. I don't know if you understand what I mean. And then so can use it to grow, and then everything will make more sense. Everything will be more clearer, more interesting for you. Grow your small accounts, you make profit, and then to be wow, you'll be surprised on what you will get. All right, so I bid you farewell. I bid you success in your trading career, your trading experience. I wish you profits. I pray profits to you in everything you do. I believe you would follow the trading plan, and then everything will work out so well for you. I bid you Godspeed. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe and to comment if you need anything, and to tell someone about it. All right, and thank you, like the channel and subscribe, and tell more people about it. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate it. So I'll be going out here now. Bye bye. Peace.